Okay, so today we are going to unbox our new monitor arm. The good thing about monitor arms is that it can free up all your space, because your monitor, if it's very big, it's going to take up a lot of your desk space. If you want to free that space up to put your coffee mug, to put your wine, then invest in a monitor arm. Okay, let's unpack everything. And at first I was quite overwhelmed with the amount of stuff it has, but thank God for the manual. It's quite a lot of stuff. I think I might need this. At first I was like, oh my god, what do I do with all these screws and also all this stuff, because it's quite a lot of things. But it's actually easier than it looks once you get the hang of it. So these are all the things that came in the package. So let's assemble everything and let's go. With that said, if you just want to rely on your monitor stand and you don't want monitor arms, it is still fine. Just that I'm a bit extra, you know what I'm saying? You can pick either clamp or grommet mounting, whichever you like. And then yeah, let's install this whole thing together. So you just gotta slot everything in, and it makes everything so easy. Alright, okay, so of course the first arm I need to do it properly. I cannot do that. I'll settle that soon. So once you are done, you need to screw everything up, make everything tight, but not too tight so that you can still move things around. And now I'm going to put on the screws so that we can attach our monitors onto the monitor arm. And yep, it is easier than it looks, even though it is a lot of screws. So let's screw everything up. It came with a screwdriver tool, which is good. And now everything is done. You can rotate it whichever way you want. Of course, my cable management, I need to work on it soon. Alright, so ignore that for now. But I would say the hardest challenge is to align both monitors together, because I don't want a gap in between there. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. Okay, now that everything is done, we need to work on our cable management. And of course, this monitor arm comes with a slot where you can put all your messy cables, and it also comes with a USB cable. In fact, 2 USB cables and 2 pass-through ports right in front. You insert your cable inside this slot thingy and then you cover it up just like that, so that it wouldn't look that messy. And also there's a cable management slot thingy at the bottom, so that you can put your stuff and also your cables, slot them inside so that it looks less chaotic and messy. You can see that the cables right now are slotted inside, and of course I still need to work on my cable management. It is still not perfect. Alright, so let's modify everything. I bought some lights which I'm going to attach onto the monitor. Maybe it's redundant for some people, but I feel that, you know, it's quite fun that you can change the color. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the new keyboard and mouse that I have bought, and maybe some of the RGB stuff that I have bought. Okay, so talk to you soon.